So how many of you out there right now watching this wish that you could have all of this deliciousness right here? Oh, no, not me. I'm talking about this delicious plant-based goodness right here. So check it out. I was in the store the other day, right? Looking for some plant-based meat, maybe some Beyond Burger, maybe some Impossible meat. But I came across this company I've never heard before called Crave House. So on the back of here, it says mind-blowing taste. And I'm like, okay, well, I'm like huge into the plant-based meats. I'm all about the protein content, the macronutrient content, right? So on the label, it says 21 grams. So I'm like, okay, I wonder how it tastes. But before that, I look at the back here because I'm curious, like, what's the source of the protein? So Crave House uses pea protein, which is great, just like Beyond and Impossible. But I'm always curious on how these companies are going to distinguish themselves. Like what really gives it the mind-blowing taste? I'm curious, right? Because, when it comes to taste, right? And I know a lot of you out there, you've had plant-based meat before, you don't like it, I get it. But like I always tell you, these days, and I think last year I used to say that it's gonna come a time when plant-based meat is gonna be indistinguishable from regular meat. But you know what? I think we're getting closer to that time. So I want to see if a company like Crave House, maybe Crave House, like maybe they hit the mark. We'll see. But this is how I like to eat, right? So, we're going to start with a delicious avocado-filled salad. We got the tomatoes. We have some arugula. We have some cucumbers. I love the whole antioxidant complex in these meals, right? And that's why I think plant-based is really the way to go. Not trying to take your meat away from you. I'm not about that, right? So you can have your meats, your real meat. But my whole thing is, if you go plant-based, if you have any health issues, that's really gonna help you out here. So the way I dressed my burger today, have some avocado, some tomatoes, some mushroom, and we have the Crave House burger. So it's all about the taste, right? And I'm really curious because I'm looking for another option. Sometimes Beyond, you go there, it's out of stock, right? Impossible, you can't find in every single grocery store. So you know what? Let's just see what Crave House is all about. And hey, if it's not good, I'm gonna tell you. So we're gonna use some ketchup. All right. Oh, by the way, all right. So for the video, that's basically the only reason why I'm eating bread. I don't usually eat bread. Sweet potato is my carb of choice, but I know a lot of you out there, most of you, if you're gonna eat a burger, you're gonna eat it with bread, right? So just to let you know, I do this stuff for you, right? You Green Regimen followers, love you so much. All right, so you're like, shut up, Ty. Find out how much. You're like, all right, Ty, you wanna know how this tastes, so let's figure this out. All right, so here's the taste test. It's a little bit big, right? Give it a try. All right, Crave House, let's see what you got. Whoa. Just to make sure, let's give it another bite. Pretty much, there's no way in the world that you would know that this was made not with beef, but with pea protein. There's no way. You put it in a bun or between a bun and mushrooms or tomatoes, right? Lettuce. There's no way in the world you would know that this was a plant-based burger. This is really delicious. Crave House, you guys have done a great job with this burger. Yeah, I get it. Mind-blowing taste. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and recommend this as an additional option, for you to try. Now, and when it comes to the beef burgers, they do have a lot of fat in them, right? So let's just say one day you just want to have a healthier alternative. And just a little fun fact about beef, and not trying to scare you, because I was like the biggest beef eater ever known to man. But the one issue, or one of the many issues with beef, unfortunately, after we digest beef, our liver produces an enzyme called TMAO, right? And it's really more of a molecule that's produced after digestion. And TMAO, unfortunately, has been known to cause or really exacerbate cardiovascular disease, which is terrible, right? So we want to make sure that when we're eating these foods, we want the healthiest foods possible. I'm not saying you have to eat 100% healthy every single day, but that's why I like these plant-based options. They give us a way to still enjoy the foods that we really love, like the actual taste of the burger, but we don't have to worry about, building up excess plaque from some of the animal fat and, having high cholesterol just due to eating animal products, right? So again, not trying to take the meat away from you, but I'm just here just to give you an alternative to what you're eating. This is really delicious. Crave House, you've done a good job here. I really feel that a lot of you out there will love this burger for sure. But that's my time. I'm ready to eat. So see you at the next review. Oh, you're still here? Okay. Well, that means you wanted to see me take another bite. Awesome.